Cockpit lighting is provided by panel lights, control stand lights, fluorescent lights, dome lights, and specific function lights. The controls and indicators for the cockpit lights are located on the overhead panel, the center instrument panel, and the aft pedestal. The second officer's lighting controls and indicators are located on the lower panel and the P6 panel. Panel lighting consists of white lights, which provide general and specific area lighting for each control panel. Panel lighting is controlled by the left forward and side panel light switch, the center forward panel light switch, the forward panel background light switch, the overhead panel light switch, the right forward and side panel light switch, the radio panels and autopilot light switch, and the second officer's panel light switch. Illumination of the pedestal areas is provided by 2 white and 2 red floodlights located in the overhead panel. The control stand red light switch provides control of the 2 red control stand lights, and the control stand white light switch controls the 2 white control stand lights. Fluorescent lights provide high-intensity lighting for daylight or adverse visibility conditions. The forward panel fluorescent light switch controls the fluorescent lights under the glare shield, and the panel fluorescent light switch controls the lights under the second officer's overhead light shield. Dome lights provide general cockpit illumination. The dome white light switch controls 3 white dome lights located on the cockpit ceiling, and the dome red light switch controls 3 red dome lights on the cockpit ceiling. An additional control switch for the white dome lights is located next to the fuel dump panel. Specific function lights include map lights, the compass light, circuit breaker light panel lights, panel background lights, and the table lights. The map light switches control the spotlights located in each pilot's number 4 window. The compass light switch controls the light in the standby compass. The circuit breaker light switch controls panel lights for the P18 and floodlights for the P6 circuit breaker panels. The forward panel background light switch controls the incandescent floodlights located under the glare shield and is essential AC powered. The panel background light switch controls the incandescent floodlights in the second officer's overhead light shield. These lights are essential AC powered. The table light switch controls 2 floodlights in the second officer's overhead light shield for table area illumination. A removable cover allows the second officer to insert a red light cover. The light override switch provides a single means for bright or limited cockpit illumination. In normal, all lights are controlled by their respective switches. In all white, all fluorescent and white control stand lights illuminate at full intensity. In the flight-only position, all fluorescent white control stand and white dome lights are extinguished or prevented from illuminating. The master test and dim switch controls the intensity of the warning, caution, and information lights on various cockpit instrumentation panels. The dim position allows all indicator lights except the approach progress display, or APD, and the autopilot disengage lights to illuminate dim. This position allows the APD and autopilot disengage light intensity to be controlled through photoelectric sensors. The bright position allows indicator lights to illuminate bright. In this position, photoelectric control is bypassed. The test position illuminates all indicator lights with the exception of the APD lights, and the yaw damper flags retract if in view, or yaw damper lights illuminate if extinguished.